Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem Java classes introduction. So let's understand what is the goal and then we would solve it. Remember, this question can only be solved using Java language. Now basically we need to complete 4 given classes template. The first class is for length, okay? The second class is for width. The third class is for height. And the last class is for volume. Now remember, for the volume class I require all these 3 values because I am calculating the volume of a cuboid. Okay, so I need to complete the given classes, and finally after completing these 3 classes I need to print the volume of a cuboid. So this is the question. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school you need to find the problem Java classes introduction. Okay, after doing this you need to solve it. So here is the question. Let's read it. Create class named cuboid with fields length, width and height. Calculate volume of the cuboid. Class cuboid contains following functions: set height, that is for length, then we have set width, that is for width, again we have set height, but this one is for actual height. Okay, finally the fourth one is for volume, and we need to complete them over here. Okay, so let's start. First thing is I need 3 variables, right? Height, width and length. So first I would declare them over here. So integer height, let's start with length first. Length. Okay, second is integer width, next is integer height. Okay, after this I would just call these variables in each class. So for the class length I would write, I would write int, sorry not int, I would write this dot length equal to L. L is mentioned over here, semicolon. Now let's do something similar for class width. Over here I would write this dot width equal to W, semicolon. Now in the next one, that is for height, I would write this dot height equal to H. Okay, now I have done, I have completed the classes for all the 3 functions. So basically not functions, the variables that we needed to complete, and now we would move to the next part, that is completing the 4th class, that is calculating the volume of the cuboid. So I need to print the results, so I would directly write system.out.println and then the formula for calculating the volume. So over here I would write system.out.println circular brackets. Now over here I need 3 variables, that are length, width and height. So let's do it. Length star width star height. Okay, now let me add a semicolon. Now to check if this is the correct solution or not, I need to click on compile and run. So let's wait. It is getting compiled. Okay, the compilation is done. And there is a small error. I forgot to add a semicolon over here. Okay, so let me add a semicolon. Okay, now again compile and run. Let's wait. Let me clean this. Okay, now let's check if my output is matching with the expected output or not. So see, my output is matching with the expected output. So now what would I do? I would click on submit. Okay, so let me submit it. Let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem Java classes introduction. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys have enjoyed this session, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.